Okay, this video is going to pick up where the last video left off. Using a software online that they only, if I want to pay money and stuff like that. I mean, I'm not gonna pay money to make these videos, but it only lasts for 15 minutes. So I guess I'm kind of long-winded on this because you can't make money online without being taught properly, and it takes some time to do. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to pick up where we left off there. And what I had told you before, in the traffic ad bar, free site right there. Okay, 1,768 per day, and 1,768 times 40. The last time I checked, I had around 50 people in the program, so we're going to multiply it times 50. 88,400 hits per day. Per day. Let's see what happens when we multiply that times 30 in a month. Okay. 2,652,000 hits per day. Now, folks, I know that is, traffic ad bar is a lot of people that are exchanging hits and everything, and so they are really wanting to get through the page and everything and move on. But the thing is, I don't care. If you throw enough crap against the wall, some of it's going to stick. I learned that a long time ago when I was starting in light bulb sales, and they told me, you got to do that. That's why they hired 5 people in my area, and the one that stuck was me. I was the last one. I got everybody else's accounts that they opened and everything because I stayed longer than everybody else. And I kept plugging away. I stuck, And so if you throw enough crap against the wall, something's going to stick. Use that same philosophy in this, and we're going to throw this against the wall, and believe me, somebody will join. Somebody will buy the Millionaire Society, and they're going to learn how to do this right through the Millionaire Society, and they're going to go off and make their own money over there. But that doesn't matter to us because he's going to be taking care of them. I'm taking care of my team right here. So this is the second video that's going on there, and I'm into this video for 3 minutes and 35 seconds right now. I'm going to go over something a little bit more. It's like I told you that you're going to have to go down on this page here and click on that. Send me your information. I'm willing to, if you could send an email to me and just tell me what your username in Traffic Ad Bar and in HitLeap, and then what you're going to have to do after you get into HitLeap. I'm gonna show you with a HitLeap account, with my HitLeap account right here. Because you are going to have to download a piece of software. If you don't have a computer, just forget about it. Just do the Traffic Ad Bar every day and everything. But if you've got a computer, because that's what's needed for this. Okay. All right. Now, to earn money when you're into your HitLeap account, after I get that set up for you and everything, you're going to want to come in here. You're going to want to download this for Windows. I don't know what this is. Download for Ubuntu 1604. If you know what it's for or whatever, I mean, you know, and that's what you need to do that. But if you've got a computer, you download it for Windows and you install it on your computer. You're going to come up with a program on your computer that looks just like that right there, that icon that I'm putting my mouse over. Is right there, HitLeap Viewer. And what's going to happen with the HitLeap Viewer is it stopped recording for a while, so I don't know how much it got or anything like that, but like I told you, you're going to have to go up to your HitLeap page, and you're going to have to come and download this program right here. And what's going to happen is that program is going to be just like this right here. Mine is operating right now, and it operates in the background. I can minimize it. I can do whatever I want to do. I'm filming the video right now. This is what I'm doing, and it's per view. HitLeap viewer spots 1/2 and all this, but that's what's necessary for this to work and for you to get 1768 views per day, 69. That may be a lot more. I mean, that may be a lot less than what you can actually get, because I think there's been days that I've gotten, 4,000 or 5,000 hits per day. And that's what's necessary. That's going to make this work, because everybody's going to be doing the same thing. They're going to be doing what I'm doing right now and what I'm showing you how to do with the traffic ad bar, HitLeap, and we're going to put it all together. I'm going to do all the work for you, and we're going to get this thing to go viral. So I hope this has been helpful. And as I said in the other one, but it cut me short, my name is Tom Howard. My phone number is 931-638-6244. Give me a call. I'm a regular guy. I know what I'm doing online. I'm going to make sure that everybody that is in my program already is going to make money with the Millionaire Society and with the training that we've got in place with the Millionaire Society right there, and with my training for the traffic ad bar and everything at the free traffic. So let's do this, and let's make it happen. Thank you, everyone.